Howdy gamers, this is your instructor Sexy Matthew, and welcome to this KA Academy class. So in today's class I'm going to be showing you guys how to make stripes going down from the shoulder to the arms and how to have them match up. And then I'm also going to show you guys how to copy designs from one side of armor to the other, like designs from one side of the leg to the other, without having to actually draw out the whole design again. I'm going to start with the stripes. So stripes are pretty easy. I'm going to show you guys how I do it with my coloring method. I create a new layer, set that layer to multiply, and then you're ready to start. So each of these boxes are 64 pixels wide, you can see right there. So the best way to just get a nice thick line is to make a 21 pixel box like this. Start from the edge of that box and then just go all the way down until you get to 22 pixels right there. Then you can take the paint bucket, or you can take the paint brush if you make your brush width large enough, and then you just color it in like so, and it automatically does the shading for you. So this is the easiest way to do it. This is how I do it. It works pretty well. And then to get rid of the coloring on the undergarment, you just select the background, select your magic wand, set the tolerance to 32, and just click, and then you control click to keep selecting, and then you select that layer, and then you just delete it. For this one, I'm just going to make the stripe on the arm and not actually on the strap for the elbow pad. What I like to do too is I like to keep the comlink white. I just think it looks better in my opinion, but however you guys want to do it is your choice. So now that you have the stripe going down the arm, you want to match it up with a stripe going down the shoulder. And it's the same method. You just create a 21 pixel long box, then you start at the end, go all the way down here until you get to 22 pixels, and then color it in, take your pencil, and then just fill it in right there. So that's pretty simple. That's just how I do it. And then going to the second part of this is how to copy and paste designs from one side of the armor to the other, and I can actually use this as a pretty good example. All you need to do is do Control A, copy it, create a new layer, paste it onto that layer, then go to Layers, flip horizontal, and then you just match it up. And then obviously you want to color in this part right here, and then you just merge the layer down onto the bottom layer, and you're done. You now have a perfectly symmetrical design on both sides of the armor.